and we solved all these things. So this was the shear force and bending moment diagrams. So you can compute it for the half of this thing because it's a symmetrical problem, and then just repeat it for exactly on the opposite side, just mirror image of the other thing. So that would be, because this is symmetrical problem, that means that we can have the symmetry about this section for the shear force and bending moment diagrams as well. So the shear force is computed like this, and it is repeated on the other side with the mirror image of this. Similarly, if you compute the bending moment with the equations, you will have this half portion. Once you have the half portion, just repeat it for the other side as well, and this will be there. The previous problem, that 411 we did. Where is that? Yeah, this one. So similarly, this was the problem that we did. We solved in our class, so everything looks all right. These are the shear force and bending moment diagrams. We can compute at 0 and here, and similarly we can compute and do it here. So I encourage you guys that all these problems are solved. Practice all of these. This will help you prepare for the exam as well, because we are not taking assignments. So I would encourage that you solve it yourself. Make a register and solve all this problem, because this will add to your knowledge. This is just an expertise. The more problems you solve, the better you will become. So I would encourage that you solve all these problems, because next time we're not going to solve this. We will move to moving loads, interpretation of these one, and then move to real problems that once the beams are loaded with these loads, how to interpret, what's the use of these diagrams, what do we learn from this thing. Solving this is one part of it, important part of it, but once we have solved this thing, how can we make it better? So just learn these things. I would highly encourage that all of you solve this one. This learning through practice. If you practice more and more, you will be able to do it. So if you have any question, please ask. Otherwise, I'm going to stop here today and then see. I was thinking that maybe if it's possible, we can shift the class time to a little earlier, because now I go to university almost every day because of my new assignment there. And this 10 to 12 becomes a little challenging for me because it's right in the middle of the day. So either we can push it to the earlier part of the day, maybe at 8 to 10, or we can move it to the later part of the day, go in the evening, whichever is better for you guys. We should be able to do it. So talk between yourselves, and if possible, all of you guys agree, we can do that. Although it's not a big deal, there are only 3 weeks left. So even if we're not able to change it, I'm all right. But it will help if we can do it, because that saves me a lot of time to go to the office. Good? Any question?
Sir, quizzes हो गए?
Quizzes, it becomes a difficult. I think I will just make one exam. उसी का component बनाएंगे, कुछ quizzes का, कुछ assignments का, कुछ. So prepare it well. Most probably the exams जो है ना, वो शायद इसका complete questions मैं ना पूछूं. Maybe half of give you a load and ask you to write a shear force diagram, bending moment diagram for this. So you should be able to do it quickly, because the time will be very, very short for those things. So if you are in practice, you should be able to do it. So that would be उसी के एग्जाम के साथ ही जो है ना, कुछ quizzes का part, कुछ short questions, वो सारे एक ही time में कर लेंगे. But if you guys want, we can make a short quiz in between someday, other than the class time, so that it doesn't affect our learning process. So talk between yourself, and your CR can advise me your final conclusion about this thing here. All right? If there are no questions, yes, I'll stop here for today. And again, we're leaving with a note that my expectation is that you solve all these problems. They're all solved. You just have to practice And with all this understanding that we have developed, you should be able to do it. All right. Okay. No questions, so that's good. All right, guys. See you next week. And one thing that I was trying to upload the lectures on the course sites, but looks like the course sites is out of space now. I cannot upload all the videos. So if you have downloaded your previous lecture videos, do it. So because I will delete those and then I will be able to do the new ones. So I'll give you a day. I still have to upload the previous lecture videos and then we'll upload this one. So once I upload those, download it to yourself. Okay, so the probably today I'll delete the previous ones and upload the new ones there. All right, good. Have a
So
good
what
day,
about the
guys.
attendance?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Attendance में अपने वीडियो से देख के लगा लूँ. Okay.
Thank you, sir.